Hey guys, it's Cher. I'm on vacation and I've been visiting Disney World for the past couple days, so I thought I would do a get ready with me for Disney World, do my makeup like I've been doing it for Disney, and also talk about my trip and how it's going so far. So if you want to watch me do my makeup and talk about Disney World, then let's get into the video. Whatever will I use to hold my hair back to do my makeup for Disney World? I paid like $25 for these ears, so I'm going to use them for something. Do you guys hear that? I feel like somebody's standing right outside our second story window and like screaming inside the window. Like that's how close they sound. I hope you guys can hear me okay, because this bathroom is really echoey, but it also has the best lighting in the house. So I'm gonna use it and hope that you can hear me. I swear I just heard somebody say YOLO right outside my window. So we've been at Disney, well, we went to Disney for like 2 days. We've been in Florida for like 5 days, I think, but we went to Disney 2 times, which was yesterday and the day before yesterday. I went once when I was younger, but I didn't really remember it. And then Ryan has never been. He went to Disneyland, but he's never been to Disney World in Florida. So really it was like a first for both of us and we didn't know what to expect going in. Basically, it's really overwhelming. There's like a million places to see and things to do. I think there's 5 themed parks, like different sections of the park. I think we managed to visit all 5 of them. We went to the Magic Kingdom and Epcot on the first day. And then yesterday we went to the Animal Kingdom and Disney Hollywood Studios, and maybe we only went to 4 because I'm only remembering that. Basically there's just so much to see and do that it's impossible to get it all done in the amount of time that you spend there, I think. When we booked the trip, our travel agent said, you're not gonna see everything. Like it's probably better to just pick 1 or 2 parks that you really wanna see and then leave the rest for another visit. And she was right. There's just like so much going on at all times. There's all these different shows in the different parks, and it's like you kind of got to pick which one you want to see the most and go there. And even at nighttime when they do the fireworks, we caught Epcot's firework light show, and then we caught the Magic Kingdom's fireworks show last night, which was, you know, that's the ultimate one that everyone goes to see. But the Epcot one was really cool too. And I think that every single park does their own version of the Magic Kingdom's big fireworks display. Yesterday we went to Disney Hollywood Studios, which is the park that I specifically remember going to when I was young and I went to Disney World. And I would say that one is the smallest one, and it's definitely more manageable than the other ones. Like Animal Kingdom is really big, Magic Kingdom is really big. Epcot was big, but it's manageable too. Like we visited, I wanna say we got through a lot of the Epcot park. When I say got through, I really just mean explored and walked around everywhere that is possible to walk around, because we didn't even try to ride the rides. When I say these rides, even in the middle of December, had 260-minute wait times, that's not an exaggeration. Insanely long wait times for every single ride. Even though it's the beginning of January, technically, you would really think that there would not be that many people in the park, and you'd be wrong because it's packed. When we went to the Magic Kingdom, like it was so packed that if someone in front of you stopped walking, there was no going around them. Like you just had to wait for them to move or you weren't going anywhere. Like it was that packed. I really want to try out like a red eyeshadow look. These are red, like red shades, so I'm excited. I had never been on a plane before this trip, surprisingly, or not surprisingly, but I was nervous and excited about that all at the same time. And basically it turned out to be exactly what I thought it was going to be. A little scary at first, but then you just get used to it. I did get yelled at once, or not yelled at, but like reprimanded by airport security once. I had never done anything like related to airport security before. I was nervous and I didn't know exactly what to do or whatever. So I didn't take my shoes off to go through the metal detector thing or the screening thing, whatever they do. And the woman who took my purse, like she didn't tell me to do that. And so I went to walk into the screening area, and the other security lady was like, shoes please, take your shoes off. And I was just like, oh my God, okay, I didn't know, like, I'm so sorry, I don't have a bomb or anything. Other than that, it was pretty smooth. I will say this, that I did not expect, even though I should have because I get car sick really easily. I did not expect to feel like nauseous on the plane, and I did a little bit on the second flight, not really the first one, because the first one I think my nerves were just kind of all over the place, and I definitely started noticing I was feeling kind of sick. Almost like there wasn't enough air in the cabin. I don't know if anyone else experiences that, but that's exactly how I felt. Like there wasn't enough air to go around to everyone in the plane. I don't know, that sounds stupid, but other than that, it went okay. I mean, we didn't crash, so. The second security incident that I had was when I went to Disney. I did not hear this at all the first day. There were no warning signs, nothing. Apparently, you're not allowed to take selfie sticks inside of Disney because they could be used as a weapon or something. And I didn't know that. And of course, I brought my selfie stick because I thought, hey, like a non-shaky version of trying to vlog Disney World, which I ended up vlogging anyway, but still, it was just really shaky compared to how it would have been if I had my selfie stick, because I could have just held it and vlogged that way. So that's why I took it. And when I got to the first security checkpoint, they go through your bag. The guy was like, absolutely no selfie sticks are allowed in these parks, in any of the parks. So I need you to take your selfie stick, drop it off at Mickey Mouse gift shop, and get it later on in the day. You can check it in and pick it up when you leave. And I'm just like, oh my God, again? It makes me feel stupid because I didn't know, because I don't know how any of this works. So that was the other incident that I was thinking of. The noises outside are killing me. The sounds and the noises and the yelling is really killing the vibe for this video. Another thing I did not expect in Florida, even though it's January, it is super cold. Not warm at all. And I mean, in the day it is, but at nighttime it's freezing. And so we did not expect that the first day we went to Disney. And so we got there and it's warm and I have a sweater on, but I didn't take my big heavy jacket. I didn't take gloves. I was just not prepared for it to be cold. Keep in mind, I'm coming from super cold temperatures, like 1 degree on Christmas Eve. Ryan's not prepared either. Like he's not any more warm than I am. He's not any more warmly dressed than me at this point. And so it feels good till about 8 o'clock. After 8, it's all just, I mean, it goes downhill from there. And then yesterday we were better prepared. So we wore gloves. I wore 2 pairs of socks. I tried to layer up my pants, but it just didn't work. Which I guess it's a good thing that we did come from colder temperatures because we were already dressed kind of warmly when we got on the plane that morning coming here. If we had not come from a place where we had to wear jackets and coats and gloves and stuff like that, then we would have totally been not prepared and we would have had to spend even more money here getting clothes that are warm. So I used He Devil in my crease and like on the outer corners of my eye. And then I think I'm going to use these 2 colors on my lid. I think out of all the parks, my favorite ones were Epcot because of the cool little around the world area that they have where you can visit each different country, like see different landmarks. They have different areas for food that you can eat from that country. It's just really cool to see, just to see what all they include for each country. It's very cool. And then I also really liked their fireworks show because it was not just fireworks, it was like this light show too. They brought out this big globe that came floating in on the water. And it was a globe of the world, and each country was like lit up differently and had different pictures on it, and it spun around and it just did a bunch of cool things. And I feel like their show kind of promoted the whole, I don't know, just the whole idea of unity between different countries and people who speak different languages. I really liked that. And I also really liked the Avatar area in the Animal Kingdom. I remember watching that movie, which I guess it was like 8 years ago. Now that it came out, it doesn't feel like that. But I remember watching that movie and thinking it was so cool. In the Animal Kingdom, they recreated that whole world and everything looked so real, but you knew it was fake, and I don't know. And then of course the Magic Kingdom fireworks show was also very cool. They tried to include one song, I think, from most of the main Disney movies. If you're not interested in one Disney movie, then if you just gave it a couple minutes, then they were probably gonna play something that from a movie that you knew. And I just like fireworks in general, so, and that's something I don't remember from when I was young, is that the castle doesn't just light up different colors. They can play different scenes from different Disney movies on the castle, which is awesome because the castle is so big that everyone in the park could see it and they could watch it wherever you are. So wherever you're standing, you probably have a pretty good vantage point of the castle and the fireworks. Oh, and along with the mouse ears, I also got this cool Mickey Mouse hat that says Mickey Mouse 1928 Sport on it, and has a little gold Mickey Mouse outline right here, which I think is so cute. And then also it has these sporty white stripes, which I don't know if you can tell, but I'm totally into it right now. And it matches my shirt. I mean, I'm not normally a hat person, but you can't even see my makeup now. For the people that do wear hats, how do you wear hats and have it not mess up your makeup on your forehead? Or am I just wearing the hat too tight? I'm so sporty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me just doing my makeup like I did when I went to Disney and talking about my trip so far. We're also going to Universal, I think tomorrow and the next day, which I know for sure Universal has Harry Potter themed areas of the parks. So I'll definitely be vlogging some of that. Either way, I will link the Disney vlog and these other vlogs down below in the description box if you want to check those out. Make sure you like this video and let me know in the comments down below if you've ever been to Disney World and what your favorite park is. My favorites, I think, were definitely the Animal Kingdom, Epcot, and the Magic Kingdom. So basically all of them. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!